Tired of wasting precious time dialing dead numbers in Follow-Up Boss? Let's dive right into automating call skipping to supercharge your sales productivity. Start by navigating to the Settings menu, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of your Follow-Up Boss dashboard. Once in Settings, look for Integrations. You'll want to explore the available integrations that offer call validation or phone number scrubbing services. Popular choices include integrations with services like PhoneBurner or other similar platforms that can automatically verify phone number validity. Select your chosen integration and carefully follow the setup instructions. A key step here is enabling the call validation feature, ensuring the integration automatically checks numbers before dialing. Now, within your Follow-Up Boss lead management system, use filters to segment your leads effectively. Prioritize leads based on factors like engagement score, last contact date, or lead source. Some integrations write back a status to the lead profile, indicating if a number is valid, invalid, or disconnected. Use this data to further refine your calling list. Leverage smart lists to automatically exclude leads with invalid or disconnected numbers. Set criteria within the smart list to filter out numbers marked as undeliverable or disconnected by your integrated service. Congratulations! You've now automated call skipping in Follow-Up Boss. You can now enjoy a streamlined calling workflow, focusing on connecting with valuable leads and watch your sales productivity soar.